Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come.
Let us start. To do this trend, first open Instagram. Now click on plus icon and go to story. Now slide right and go to search option. Now search your filter. Now click on the filter and save. Now come back to story. Now turn on your screen recorder and record while sliding it. Like this. Now turn off the screen recording. Now click your photo or record video using this filter and save. If you want to apply the effect on existing photo or video, then go to gallery. Now choose your photo or video. Now go to effects and apply the filter and save. Now after doing this all, open CapCut application. Go to new project and add the screen recording. Select format 9:16. Delete the end part. Now click on clip, go to edit and crop the video. Adjust the clip. Now trim from the point where sliding starts. Delete the first trim part. Now trim from the point where sliding stops and delete the rest of the part. Turn down the clip volume to 0. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now, your clip should be of 1.3 or 1 point per second. If your clip duration is more than that, then increase the speed of the clip and decrease the clip to 1.3 or 1 point per second. Increase the speed of the clip according to the length of your clip. In my case, I have increased it to X. Now add the Leonardo DiCaprio clip. You can get this clip from my description link. Now after this, add the photo or video with the filter you have saved. Now trim the clip to the length of the audio. Now add animation. Click on clip, then go to animation and click in. Now here are different effects. You can choose any effect from here which you like. After choosing the effect, set the effect duration to 2.0 seconds. Now check your video and export.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.